Umoto lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for your love and thank you so much for the support. For the new members or the new subscribers, welcome. And my name is Umoto lifestyle. I come from Kenya and now I live here in the US, and I love doing vlogs about my lifestyle here to kind of give information of people out there who have been wanting to come to the US and they want to ask the questions how America looks like, what people do here in America. Hey, I'm here to show you. And at the same time, in this channel we do beauty. When I'm talking about beauty, I mean inner beauty and outer beauty. But today I'm going to talk about outer beauty. Guys, for those ones who watched my videos yesterday, we went to different stores. As you know, we are planning to start doing traveling vlogs. Okay, so I went to the store. I went shopping from one store to another store, and it was amazing, and you guys loved it. And I thought today I'm gonna come here and show you what we bought, some of the things that we bought, okay? Especially the makeup and the lipstick. Today, as you can see guys, I don't have any makeup on my face and I don't have any lips. So this is me naturally pure. So I'm going to apply the lipstick that we bought yesterday for the makeup. So we bought two types of lipsticks, and guys, I told you that I love nude lipstick. I want the lipstick when I put it, it looks like my lips. I don't want red, whatever, but I just want something that is nude. Do you understand what I mean? So I went to this store. If you didn't watch the video yesterday, guys, you're more than welcome to go check it out. You will have fun, okay? So I bought these two. They kind of look like nude. I don't know guys, if you can see. So let's open this one. This one is number 32 and it says it's dark wine. So we're gonna start with this dark wine. We see how it looks on my lips, and you guys, you tell me. So far, this is how you open it. You have to take a sticker. There was a little sticker on top here, like this sticker was up here, so you have to peel it out and open this like this. So this is the whole thing, it looks like, but we're gonna reduce it so that we can apply. So my lipstick right now has some lotion, or I can say the oil. Let me show you what I put on my lips first. This is what I start putting on my lips. I put this on my lips before I do my lipstick, and you can choose not to put it or put it, but I prefer to start with this because my lips sometimes I get so dry. And guys, this thing here, before, let me show you something. This thing is called Amis right here. It's a milking gel. This thing is milking gel, especially it's sold in my country, Kenya, or I don't know if it's sold in the entire African continent or here, but this is the milking gel, guys. This thing, if you want your face to look like a baby, bang, this is the thing for you. You will use this on your face, you will use this on whatever, the whole body. But this one I use on specific parts. Sometimes I use it on my face, I use it on my lips, my legs, and my dry feet. If you have a dry feet, you use this thing here. So this is what I put on my lips because sometimes my lips are so dry. So I use this thing right here. So we are going to try this one that I told you is called dark wine. So let's see how it looks like. What do you think, guys? You tell me. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, guys. It looks more natural. It's not purplish. It looks kind of like I have nothing on it. Remember, guys, I don't have any makeup. Even my locks are not done. I'll show you something, the reason why I'm not doing my locks. I'll show you something in a little bit. So we are talking about the lipstick right here now. Look at my lipstick. Guys, don't you think it looks more natural? It looks more natural to me, and this is exactly what I was looking for. For this one, dark wine, I love it. I love it. And it is just so soft, guys, and it can last the whole day. So it's number 32 for those ones who have my skin complexion. This is the thing right here. This is the thing here, number 32. it's dark wine. So I love it. So this one is a thing for me. So I'm gonna wipe this one out so that we can try the other one, okay? So far, I love it. So we're gonna wipe this out. Let's try the bronze one. It looks darker as well, but let's try. Hey guys. What do you think, guys? Oh my goodness, this one looks even better. Both of them, guys, seriously, I love them because you can barely tell that I have lipstick on. And this is exactly what I am looking for. So, finally, I have found my match. I have found bronze and dark white. This bronze one, it says RS19. This is RS19. I don't know if you can see. I'm loving it. And remember, I don't have any makeup so far. I'm loving this. Okay, I have these laugh lines, guys. Do you have these laugh lines? When you smile, they're like, I love them. So yeah, so these two, if you have a complexion of my skin, these are the best for you guys. Yeah, so far those are the two things we bought yesterday and I'm loving it. Okay guys, another thing we bought yesterday was this foundation. You know, this is number 2. It's a number 12 MFFC. Yeah, MFC 12. It's cool espresso. It's cool espresso, number 12. So what I'm gonna do, yes, I just opened this thing. It was just still here, so you just wrap it and open. I'm going to apply it on my face so that we can see the difference. This is my face without makeup right now. I don't have any because I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to apply so that I can show you once I apply, guys. Once you open, it has this thing right here. Oh my. So I'm going to apply it slowly, then I'm gonna show you my face, okay? Give me a second. So guys, after applying this foundation, I feel like it's a little darker than my shade. It looks like I missed one number before this one. This is number 12, so I could be a number extra than this one. So far, this is how it looks like, even though I feel like it made my face look a little darker, but I can use it, you understand? So it's not something that I cannot use. So far, I love it. I love it. So this is me with the makeup. So, and there's some other things that I'm gonna do with the makeup, but I just wanted to show you how the color looks like. Look at my eyebrows, guys. My eyebrows are not done. Don't worry about that, but I have my trooper here to go here. I feel like this week I need to do my eyebrows, guys, but don't worry, I just wanted to show you what we bought yesterday. So, and I don't want this video to be long. And guys, my eyebrows, the reason why I don't have extension, if you are my OG, you know when I put eyelashes extension, my eyes tend to swell. I don't know why. That's why I'm like, I'm gonna just stay away with the extensions of my eyes. I'm just gonna stay with my natural. I know it's not much, but at least I have it. So don't come for me. So that's why I don't put extensions. Okay, so far this is how my foundation, this one here, it's called foundation concealer. Yes, number 12. It's FFC. This is how it looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I use this Mario, you see this thing here, it's called Mario Shade Skincare. It's a facial spray with aloe vera herbs and rose water. So after you put a foundation, or after I put my makeup, whatever, I use this. I can use it under before I do the makeup, or I can use it after I use the makeup, or I can use it both. I can use it under, after, and then do it, okay? So whatever you want to do. So I'm gonna spray it. And the thing with this is you guys kind of like to hold your makeup together for a long time. So I love it, and the smell, oh my goodness, it's so good. So good. Look at this. So if you want something that's gonna bring out your makeup, this is the thing right here. Your face is gonna glitter, it's gonna look shinier. This one, you can use it under or before. So this is what I use. So this is the beauty. I told you guys, Umoto Lifestyle, sometimes we do beauty here. So anything that I do here, I share with you all guys, okay? So after we do this, some of you all may ask why my locks are not done, but I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But I wanted to show you my nails are popping. This is what I use. I use this Arcade by Kiss. This is you can call it sky blue color. This is what I use on my nails. There's so many types of there, and I do it myself, guys. Sometimes I do it myself. Sometimes if I'm going for special occasions or something, I can go and somebody do my nails. But most of the time, I do my nails by myself. Okay. I wanted just to throw that in there. Also, yesterday we went there and we bought this thing right here. This is for my this is for my locks. Sometimes you wanna, oh, there were 3. I thought there were 2. Sorry, there were 3. So this one, sometimes I like putting here when my locks are messed up, whatever. I just want to put it in there, like this, and then cover my locks. This kind of to cover my seams. So I do like this, and sometimes, I cover my locks. And you won't even know my locks are messed up, and I do my locks really nice this way, and then I'm locking the day. That's why I bought this net, whatever thing right here. And they were 3, I thought they were 2. This is nice of them. And they were only $1 and some cents. This is so nice. I'm so loving of this. And another thing that I bought, guys, I love putting earrings. I bought this little thing, earrings, and I love earrings that are so small. Look at this. I bought this one. They were $4.99. So I love them. So I love to put them one ear and another. I'll put them in a little bit so I'll show you. Oh well, guys, look, after putting those earrings, this is how small. I love them. This is how cute. Look at that. Look at it, guys. I have something here. I don't know what is that, guys. So look at that. How cute they look. They're so tiny and so small, and they look really, really nice on me. And it's just $4, So guys, you can see my whole facial transformation from the lipstick and how the whole makeup looks like. So this is how I'm gonna do a separate video about my locks, so I can tell you what is the plan for these locks and how long I had these locks. So the next video after you watch this one is going to be about my locks. Okay, so far this is Umoto, the lifestyle, showing you just a tiny bit of how you can transform your face and kind of giving you an update of what we shopped yesterday. Hey, I forgot one more thing. We bought some hat. This is the hat we bought yesterday. It was $7. I'm gonna put it on so we can see. Oh well, guys, this is how this hat looks like. Over here, it's open right there, and you can wear, in any way. You can put all your locks back, or you can put them on the side, or you can put this thing here. It can go under the locks. So it depends on how you feel like, but this is how I feel like putting it. So you guys, you can see how Umoto Lifestyle has been transformed herself from no makeup to makeup to lipstick to hat. And now I'm gonna wear my shades. So guys, you see the whole transformation. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'm using the ring light right here, and that's why you see this here. But so far, I'm loving the look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing so that we can grow this channel and explore more in the US and explore more beauty and anything that you suggest in the comment below, and share the videos, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.